Hey y'all, how you doing today? Dana here. Let's make a fast, delicious, easy Asian seafood bowl on a budget. Yeah, you don't have to go out to the restaurant. You can make this stuff at home and it is so tasty. My husband loves it. Everything is cooked when you start so you can get it on the table just like that. And if you want to add a little, like we've been out to the restaurant, you can just get your chopsticks or eat it with a fork. I always like to do the chopsticks. David goes for the fork. That's the way it is. All right, let me show you what we got to do first. What's in this Asian seafood bowl on a budget? We're going to have some of this rice. Now, I'm using jasmine, but you pick the kind that you like. This is already ready to go. You just heat it for 9 minutes in the not 9 minutes, Lordy mercy. That would cook it to a crisp. You heat it for 90 seconds, okay? And if you haven't used this, I love this and buy it all the time. And you're going to need this. This is what is called imitation crab. It's really fish, and it's cooked, and it tastes delicious, and you can get it in the grocery store, and it's really good. And I throw in a little fresh ginger, but if you don't like the bite of ginger, don't put it in there. We have sesame oil, soy sauce, Yum Yum. If you've never bought Yum Yum, go get you some. There's a reason it's called Yum Yum. And I usually put sriracha mayo on there. So y'all, this is how easy you do it. And y'all, thanks for joining me. And if you don't mind, you can share this around for people that you think might be on a budget, or if you just like really good tasty food. Flavor pops out the yin yang. You're also gonna need these. These are cucumbers, little bitty baby cucumbers, and these are from my somebody in my family's garden. So anyway, I scrubbed, and we're just gonna cut these up. That's the main thing. Now, if you want to add extra stuff, some people want to add some cream cheese. Add it if you want it. I don't want it, so I'm not adding it. But if you want it, add it. Now, I'll tell y'all what I do with my cucumbers. I cut off the end, and then I like, since these are baby cucumbers, I like to kind of leave some of that green on there because I think it's pretty. If you don't care about the looks, don't worry about it. Just do what you want to do. And this is your Asian seafood bowl on a budget, so you fix it the way you want to. I always go heavy on the cucumbers. Kind of makes me feel like I'm eating healthy, which I am, if we don't look at all those things. But anyway, y'all, these are delicious. And I've been making this for a good while, and David will eat it. It's kind of like getting something off the hibachi grill. But okay, let's put this together. I am ready. So I got me a bowl. I feel like this looks like kind of like when you go out, so that's why I've got this one. And the first thing I'm gonna put in there is rice. Now I'm gonna make a big bowl because I'm here by myself and this is my lunch. So here we go. And I'll have some for David later. He's working and got some stuff going on with one of the grandsons, and so gotta take care of all that. All right, so you just layer the rice in the bottom. And like I said, this is the jasmine rice from Uncle Ben's. It's the ready rice, but you don't have to use that. You can use what you want to. And then you're just gonna put the cucumber and the fish and all that in there. Then we're gonna doctor it up with this good stuff. What do I want first? I think I'm gonna put the fish in there. I'm gonna tear mine up a little bit so it's in good bite sizes for me. But you keep them however size you want. If you take big bites, you leave it big. If you do little bites, that's fine. So how are y'all doing today? And I see people are watching while I'm doing this, and y'all tell me where you're from and the weather, because Farmer Dave is gonna be looking at these in a little while. Y'all know he is. He's gonna be looking and saying, where are the people from? And looking at the weather. Today, it's supposed to be 90 degrees here, but the heat index is going to be 101. So it is toasty. And I got some little popsicles to keep my Maggie cool. All right, let's go ahead. I got plenty of that on there. Now, y'all tell me, what would you layer on this? The next thing going in is all of those wonderful cucumbers. Just think how healthy I'm gonna be when I get through eating this. All right. And I do like ginger on it. I freeze my ginger after I get it home from the store so that number one, it grates easier, and number two, it keeps longer. So I don't waste money. I hate wasting money. I just hate it. Do y'all? I always have. Because there's been times in our married life where it was plain and I had to do with what I had to do with. Y'all have been in those spots. I do remember. And now, I want y'all to notice I'm not in my antique kitchen. I've had a lot of people say, where's your other stove with the red knobs? Y'all, here she is. I still got her, and I cook on her too. This is a Wolf, W-O-L-F brand stove with the red knobs. This is a griddle, and then I've got 4 eyes and an oven. And I love that one too. All right, the next thing we're gonna do on this is just start layering the stuff on it. And if you've ever been to a restaurant where they have stuff like this, you know they make it pretty. So here we go. I'm making it pretty. And I might be a little heavy-handed, but that's okay. Don't y'all think that's okay? I do too. I'm gonna do just a few drops of the soy sauce. And I do get the low sodium because that's what I like, but you get what you like. Okay, I am going to do a few drops of the sesame oil. Y'all, the sesame oil, a little goes a long way. Don't put too much or it will overpower your food. All right, the next thing I've got is this yum yum. Y'all, the yum yum, it's yum. Now, y'all tell me where you're at and what you're doing. Oh, that's going to be so pretty. Y'all, look at this. And if you had some sesame seeds, you could put them on there, and I don't have any today, but y'all look at that. Look how pretty that is. You can serve this up for guests, or you can just serve it up for it yourself. But this is the Asian seafood bowl on a budget. And you've got the salad in here, which is the cucumbers. You've got the rice. You've got the fish. Come on, y'all. This is good. And I want to tell y'all where to get the recipe. The recipe for this is in What's Cooking with Dana, y'all. It will come right to your home off Amazon, or you can get it in my app store, or you can get on my other link that I'll put below and go ahead and order it. If you want an autographed book, I'll put the link below. Also, Happiness is Homemade, y'all, is on a huge sale on the link I'm going to put below, and it will be autographed, and I will mail it right to your house. Huge sale. It's going to be on sale, autographed and all, for $29.95. So go get you one. This has a lot of those recipes we're going to need at Thanksgiving. So go ahead and get you one if you don't have one yet. But anyway, here they are. Let me see if I've told you everything I need to. I'll put the links in the comments. Now, y'all please share this and let your friends see this, and it helps me out. If you like my content, I would appreciate it if you would do that, because it does help me out. It helps other people see it. And just want you to know, love and blessings. The good Lord loves you, and I love you too. Let's taste of this stuff and see how it is. Can Dana use chopsticks? Let's see. I know I've told y'all this before, but when my kids were little, we had some mission friends. I used to teach mission friends on Wednesday night, and it would teach about missions all over the world, and we had some chopsticks and ate with them one time. So to keep my kids busy all through their growing up years, I would get out chopsticks and we would eat it with them ever so often. So I can eat with these a little bit. That is so good and crunchy. All right, y'all. Let me get another good bite. Look at that. I don't always cook Southern food. Sometimes I reach out and do stuff like this. That is so good. I wish y'all were here. The rice combined with the fish and the sauces, it hits the spot. If you can't get out to get sushi, this reminds you of sushi, but everything's cooked, so it's really good. How many of you are going to try it, and what would you put in it? All right, y'all, the good Lord loves you, and I love you too. See you tomorrow. Bye now.